हुआ है इसमें हमने क्लियरली डिमांड किया है अंडर आर्टिकल 2 and 3 वी वांट टू कीप एंड स्टेट और ये डिमांड नॉन निगोशिएबल है और ये हम लोग डिमांड करते रहेंगे। ये हमारा डिमांड था, इसके लिए आज जंतर मंतर में आज प्रोटेस्ट है, कल भी होगा। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि दूसरे पार्टी से भी लोग ने आके हमें सॉलिडारिटी एक्सप्रेस किया है। वी आर वेरी हैप्पी फॉर दैट। The root problem is illegal immigration from Bangladesh. So the indigenous people of Tripura have become a minority in their own state, and hence we want a state for ourselves, because what we are seeing in 70 years is no solution, and we have become a laughing stock in the entire Northeast, and we don't want to control our own future, and we are Indians, and we should be allowed to also exercise our own constitution.
The same region, same issue like Assam is facing now.
Assam is facing it, Tripura has already faced it. Assam does not want to be the next Tripura, but we cannot just be left as an example. We also have to fight for our own rights.
What is your series of steps?
We are not going to compromise with any national party. We are going to do what is right for our people, and we are going to fight. If the national party wants alliance with us, they should give it to us in writing. If they don't give it to us in writing, then we are going to fight the entire elections on our own, and we are
How
going to
many
win.
parties around?
We were originally, when we started, there were 7 regional parties. Tripura has got now 5 parties under one. IPFT is there. Ideally, I would like IPFT, Tripura Motha also to become one single party, and we should fight under one single banner, under one symbol for the assembly election and the village council election, and not negotiate with any national party until they don't give it to us in writing about Tripura.
Is it possible? You
Everything is possible. If we thought it was not
because
possible,
you have seen what is Assam is facing.
See, everything is possible. Everything is possible. In Assam, let me remind you, ma'am, in 1986, students got the most powerful Prime Minister of India at that time, Rajiv Gandhi, to sign an Assam Accord. So, why can't we do it? India got its freedom from a British Empire which had won the Second World War. Yet, someone like Mahatma Gandhi got it. Everything is possible. Nobody thought that Telangana would come about. They got it because they didn't negotiate for money, for posts, for private position. We are also trying to do something to get something for our people. We are fighting for a constitutional right.
What is your next steps?
Our next step will be seen on the village council election, and will be seen in the assembly election. I will keep that to myself and not reveal it to the media.
Are you going to meet Prime Minister or a
I've never met the Prime Minister. I've asked for an appointment with the Home Minister. If he gives us time, we'll be very happy with the Home Minister. If he gives us time, we'll be very happy, because we are not against any political party. We are only fighting for our own survival and existence.
what is the main root demand?
The root demand is a creation of Tripura land, Greater Tripura land state under Article 2 and 3 of the Indian Constitution.
सर एक बार हिंदी में आप
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें एक स्टेट मिले, अलग राज्य मिले और ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड, क्योंकि हमारे त्रिपुरा की जो जनजाति है 70 साल से बहुत मुश्किल में, आज हम माइनॉरिटी हो गए अपने राज्य में और बांग्लादेश से लोग आ रहे हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं कि हमें एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सोल्यूशन मिले और एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोटेक्शन मिले।
संसद का सत्र चल रहा है, अगर इसमें सरकार अगर आपकी मांगों को नहीं सुनती है तो आपका
सरकार अगर हमारी बात को नहीं सुनेगी या विपक्ष नहीं सुनेगा तो हमारे पास इतनी क्षमता है कि हम अपने बलबूते में इलेक्शन लड़के जीत के एक जवाब भी दे सकते हैं दिल्ली को कि हम छोटा राज्य हो सकते हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास भी एक दम है कि हम भी अपने जनजाति के बारे ठीक तरीके से पूरे दुनिया को और पूरे इंडिया को बताएं कि हमारे अंदर दिल के अंदर क्या पीड़ा है।
क्या ये सरकार घुसपैठ रोकने में नाकाम हुई अभी तक?
हर सरकार 70 साल से घुसपैठ को रोकने में नाकाम हुई, हर सरकार।
क्या नाम है सर आपका?
प्रद्योत देपर।
ठीक है, प्रद्योत।